Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you and explain to you exactly how to cancel your Coursera subscription. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. First, you have to open up your browser, then type in cancel Coursera subscription. This is going to open up a web page where you're going to click on the first link. After clicking on the link, it will also open up a new page, and here you can see step by step on how to cancel your Coursera subscription. If you have a specialized subscription, as you can see, and to be able to cancel it on the computer, then you will need to log into your Coursera account. Open your My Purchase page, then you are going to click the Manage Subscription tab. Next to the subscription you want to cancel, click Cancel. And in the mobile app, log into your Coursera mobile app, tap the settings, gear icon into the top right, tap My Subscription. Next to the subscription you want to cancel, tap Manage Subscription. Tap Cancel Subscription. If you want to cancel your Coursera Plus subscription, you have to log into your Coursera.org. Open the menu in the upper right corner of the tab and choose My Purchases. And next, in step 3, you have to click Manage Subscriptions. Then you have to click on the subscription you want to cancel and then click Cancel Subscription. As you can see, cancel your Coursera Plus subscription after 2 weeks on refund past payments, but it will stop all future payments, which is also good. If the video helped you out, give a like and see you in the next video.